On Europe Day, we celebrate the principles of peace and unity that are the very foundations of our beloved European Union. The EU is an undertaking of unparalleled significance, and we at EU LISA are fortunate to contribute to this endeavor. The way we do that is by protecting the EU citizens and bringing them more and better services through technology. This, of course, would not be possible without a key ingredient. That ingredient is the spirit of cooperation and a vision that we share with our institutional partners and with all of the EU member states. As we reflect on the growth of our organization and that of the European Union, I want to take a moment to extend my warmest congratulations to Estonia, our host country for one of the agency's main sites that is marking, as you know, 2 decades of membership to the European Union this year. So, on this day, I invite all of us to celebrate the enduring spirit of collaboration and shared commitment through which we contribute to the European Union. I wish each one of you, your families, your communities, your countries, a very happy Europe Day.